Imagine having access to a natural elixir that can transform your health in 12 incredible ways, from fortifying your immune system to enhancing your overall well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of an extraordinary herbal infusion that holds these powerful secrets. By the end of this video, you'll be eager to welcome it into your daily routine. Be sure to stay until the end of the video because I will tell you how to make an easy Echinacea tea with honey and lemon to boost your immune system and prevent common and not so common diseases. Echinacea, a beautiful flowering plant native to North America, has been revered for centuries for its potent medicinal properties. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or an advocate for natural remedies, this video is a must-watch for anyone interested in harnessing the power of Echinacea tea. But before we explore the 12 most powerful benefits of Echinacea, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate notifications to stay updated with my informative videos. So, what are the most powerful benefits of Echinacea tea? Number 1. Immune system support. Echinacea tea is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. It can help your body defend itself by strengthening your immune system against colds, flu, and other infections. Regular consumption may reduce the severity and duration of an illness. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Echinacea contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation and alleviate health conditions like arthritis. Enjoying a cup of Echinacea tea may help ease any discomfort or pain you may be experiencing. Number 3. Respiratory health. Echinacea tea can provide much-needed comfort if you seek relief from respiratory issues, such as bronchitis or congestion. It helps to clear airways, reduce mucus, and soothe an irritated throat. Number 4. Antioxidant protection. Echinacea is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and oxidative stress. These critical antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Number 5. Allergy relief. Echinacea's anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in relieving allergy symptoms. Drinking Echinacea tea regularly may help alleviate allergic reactions and symptoms like sneezing and itchy eyes. Number 6. Skin health. Echinacea tea's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help improve skin conditions. It's been known to reduce the severity of acne, eczema, and psoriasis when used both topically and internally. Number 7. Mental clarity. Echinacea can also have cognitive benefits. Regular consumption of its tea might improve mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function, enhancing overall mental well-being. Number 8. Pain relief. Echinacea's natural analgesic properties can help ease various types of pain, including muscle aches, dental pain, and headaches. Drinking its tea can provide mild pain relief. Number 9. Blood sugar control. Echinacea may even play a role in helping regulate blood sugar levels. This vital plant can benefit individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Number 10. Digestive health. Echinacea tea can support a healthy digestive system by reducing harmful inflammation and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This action can aid in managing digestive issues, like indigestion and gastritis. Number 11. Anxiety and stress reduction. Echinacea's calming properties can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Sipping on its tea can provide a soothing and comforting experience. Number 12. Wound healing. Echinacea has historically been used for wound healing. The topical application of Echinacea tea or extract can help speed up the healing process for minor cuts, burns, and skin irritations. So, how to make Echinacea tea with honey and lemon? You need 1 Echinacea tea bag or 1 teaspoon of dried Echinacea leaves, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, and fresh lemon slices or juice. Boil 1 cup of water and place the Echinacea tea bag or dried leaves in your favorite mug. Pour the hot water over the herb, and cover the mug with a saucer or lid to trap the steam, allowing the echinacea to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. However, using a teapot will be much easier. Then, remove the tea bag or strain the leaves if using fresh echinacea leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of good quality honey and 1 lemon slice or the juice of 1/2 lemon. Stir well and drink it slowly and as hot as possible. Enjoy the aromatic and soothing echinacea tea and savor its endless health benefits. You can drink this tea for 10 days continuously, take a 15-day break, and continue again if necessary. As you take that first sip of your homemade echinacea tea, you're treating your taste buds to a delightful experience and unleashing the potential of this incredible herbal brew. With its natural and holistic approach to well-being, echinacea tea has something unique to offer everyone. However, while echinacea tea offers various potential health benefits, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your daily routine. Talk to your doctor, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. For most people, consuming echinacea tea in moderation is safe and well tolerated. However, some individuals may experience mild side effects, including upset stomach, nausea, or dizziness. It's also worth noting that echinacea may not be suitable for people with specific allergies, particularly those allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family. At the same time, it boasts a strong aromatic smell that can make some individuals feel nauseous. So, to avoid adverse side effects, limit your echinacea tea intake to 1 to 3 cups per day. Furthermore, if you have an autoimmune disease, are taking immunosuppressive medications, or are pregnant or nursing, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating echinacea tea into your daily routine. Understanding the potential side effects and seeking medical advice if you have specific health concerns, will help ensure a safe and beneficial experience with echinacea tea. But our health and diet journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, where I'll dive deeper into the world of healthy diet and herbal remedies, explore more tantalizing tea recipes, and uncover the secrets of living a healthier, more vibrant life. Did you already know how to make echinacea tea and the 12 vital health benefits it can offer our bodies, immune system support, and health? I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have something to add, please share it with us in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and friends so they also know how to make echinacea tea to get all its excellent health benefits. Also, if you are experiencing lung problems, coughing, mucus, and difficulty breathing from the cold or flu, watch this video on how to remove the phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina. Until then, keep brewing and discovering the magic of nature, 1 cup at a time. I wish you all the best, have a wonderful day and new week, and see you in my next video.